Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be solving Cambridge IGCSE ICT Paper 2 for May-June 2020. It is the first component 2.1. This paper includes document production, data manipulation, and presentations. You have been supplied with the following source files. So I have copied all the source files here. Task 1, evidence document. Open the evidence document. This is the evidence document. Make sure your name, sender number, candidate number will appear on every page. Save this as evidence followed by your candidate number. So this is your evidence document. Insert header. Give name, candidate number, sender number. Now save as in your folder. Save as Word document because it's an RTF file, followed by your candidate number. Task 2, you are going to edit a report. Open the file J21MTB. This is MTB file. The page setup is A4 portrait with 2 cm margins. Do not make any changes. Save the document in the format of the software you are using with the name MTB study. So we have to save this in the format of our software. So we'll be saving as Word document. And the name must be MTB study. Evidence, place in your evidence document and screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of the file type. So go to your folder. We have saved this. Let's make this bigger so that it shows the file type. Take the screenshot of this one. Save inside your evidence document as evidence 1. Place in the header your name, sender number and candidate number left aligned. Automated page numbers right aligned. Insert header. Left side you have to give your name, candidate number, sender number. Nothing is there in the center. Right side you have to give the page numbers. So you can see here page number. So when you give page number in a header where there is some other text, you have to always use current position. So click on current position, close the header. Make sure that all the alignments match the page margins. No other text or placeholders are included. Create and store the following styles. So here you can see styles here. Click here. These are the styles which are used in this. Now you can create a new style. Create a style. The first style is MB title. Modify. Sans serif 36 sender bold. So please make sure it is based on the normal or the paragraph style, because here they have specified it must be on the default paragraph style. So the normal style is the paragraph style. It must be So let us create a new style. Create a style. First style is MB title. Modify. It should be always based on the paragraph style or the normal. Then they have given the styles which has to be set are font style is sans serif, size is 36, center bold. It must be sans serif. We'll choose Arial 36. It must be center bold, and the line spacing must be 0, and the spacing before and after the paragraphs must be 0. So for line spacing, go to format, paragraph. You can see the line spacing here. Line spacing must be single, and before and after must be 0. Give OK. So the style is done. Now next one, MB subhead. MB subhead. So create the next style. Modify. Style must be based on normal. Sans serif 18, center, italic, underline, single 06. So sans serif. So we'll choose Arial. The size is 18, italic, underline, center aligned, single 06. It is center aligned. Go to paragraph, single, 0, after is 6. OK. Okay. Now the next style, create style. Next style is body. It must be based on normal. Serif 12 justified, single 06. Serif, this time New Roman 12 justified. Justified, if you don't find here, go to format, paragraph, alignment must be justified, single, line spacing must be single, 0 and 6. 0 and 6. Give OK. OK. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show that the style settings have been defined for MB subhead style. So we have to show the evidence for the MB subhead style. You can see MB subhead here. Right click, modify, so that this window will open. You have to take screenshot of this. Click on this, take the screenshot. Since this is screenshot should be placed in another Word document, you have to click OK on this, then go to this file. This is your evidence file, evidence 2. Next, display these custom style names as a list in your style manager organizer. Provide screenshot evidence. So you have to show the style manager. For style manager, you can see styles, and you can see a small downward arrow here. Click on this. This is the style manager. You can take screenshot of the style manager. So this is your evidence 3. This is evidence 3. Next, at the start of the document, enter the title, Mountain Bike Study. So copy this at the start of the document. So click here, Mountain Bike Study, and apply MB title. So select this, MB title. Next, enter your name immediately after the subtitle revised by. So after this you have to enter your name. The style name MB subtitle has already been created, stored and applied to subtitle text. Modify the MB subtitle style so that only the following formatting is applied. So we have to modify this MB subtitle. Right click, modify. You have to set it as sans serif 18 right, sans serif Arial 18 right aligned, italic single 00, italic, go to paragraph, single line spacing 0 and 0, give OK. Okay, this has to be MB subtitle. Place in your evidence a screenshot of the style settings for MB subtitle. So MB subtitle, modify, take the screenshot of this. Screenshot. Paste in the evidence document. Apply the MB body style to the rest of the document. So select the rest of the text here, MB body style. Apply square shape bullets to the text from this text. So in order to apply the bullets, these are the bullets which are required. Select them, bullets, square. Bullets are intended 2 centimeters from the left margin with a hanging intent. So right click, adjust list intents. Bullet position must be 2 centimeters. Okay. Then it must be hanging. Right click, paragraph, set it to hanging. There must not be any space, so 0 and 0. Line spacing is single. Give OK. Next, there is a 6-point space after the last item in the list. So select the last item and the following line. Then right click, paragraph, give a 6-point after. Give OK. So there is a space after the last point. Identify the 5 subheadings in the document and apply MB subhead style. So the 5 subheadings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 subheadings. Apply subheading style. Change the page layout so that the subheading global market growth and all the following text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width. So from global market onwards till the end of the document, click on layout, columns, go for more columns, 2 columns, it's equal width and the spacing must be 1 centimeter. Locate and copy the sentence, one reason many people. This sentence must be copied so that it appears as a new paragraph after this text. So first let us find this one. The first two words are one reason. So let us use the find option here. Click on find. Type the first two words. You can see one reason many people choose. So from here till lifelong adventure, you have to copy this and it has to be placed after this text. After this text. So paste it. Paste the sentence after this text. Using the data in the file j12growth.csv, create a vertical bar chart to show the forecast growth of cross-country events only for the years 2022-23. So this is the file, growth file, only for cross-country. So this is the data from 2020 to 2023. Press Ctrl and select this data also, so that it will be named properly. Each bar will be named properly. Now insert vertical bar chart. This is the chart. Label the chart with the title Growth in Cross-Country Events. Format the value axis scale to display the title, number of events. So if you click on this plus sign, you can see axis title. Otherwise you can find it from here. All the options are here. On old versions of Excel, it is on the layout menu. So axis title. So the value axis must be named as number of events, minimum value of 9,000 and maximum value of 10,500. So right click on this axis, the value axis, go to format axis. So you will get this here. The minimum value must be 9,000 and 10,500 must be the maximum value. 10,500 and the increments must be 250. Increments means the major, 250. Display only the values as data labels above each bar. So above each bar you have to display the values. So just right click, add data labels, add data labels. So the values will be displayed on the top of each bar. Do not display a category axis, title or a legend. So this title is not needed, remove that. Insert the chart after the paragraph ending number of cross-country events. So first let us find where is that. So here you have to paste the chart. So copy the chart. Paste it here. Make sure all the elements fit in the column width and everything is displayed. Import the image. This image must be imported and placed in the paragraph beginning most races are organized. So the paragraph beginning with that line is most races are organized. Click here. You have to insert the image. Insert pictures. This is the image. Insert. Crop the image to remove the top third, that is most of the sky above the clouds. Almost 1/3 is removed. It is resized to a width of 3.5 centimeters. So it must be resized. Click on Format. Size and position. The width must be 3.5. Maintain the aspect ratio. Okay. It must be aligned to the left of the column and top of the paragraph. So select the image, click on wrap text, select square. So you can see it is aligned with the top of the paragraph and to the left of the margin. Format the paragraph that starts research has shown. So research has shown, this is the paragraph. It has to be formatted in such a way that it is intended 1 centimeter from both the left and right of the column. Displays an external 3 to 4 point black border. So right click, paragraph. It must be indented from both sides by 1 centimeter. Now we have to give a border. So for this, go to Design. We have Page Borders. In that, don't go for page borders, choose the normal border. And it must be 3 to 4 point thick. So 3 I am giving. Okay. So this is the border. Spell check and proofread the document. Make sure that the list, chart and paragraph with the outside border are not split over columns or pages. So let us spell check. Click on review. This can be ignored because this is grammar mistake also can be ignored. Just check the spelling. The spelling check is complete. You have to check whether there are no widows or orphans, or the list, chart, everything is fine. All the list comes in one page. The chart also fits in one page. Spacing is consistent. Save the document. Save. There are no widows or orphans, that you can check like this. If you check anywhere, right click, paragraph. Widows and orphans are automatically controlled. You can see here widow orphan control is on. So it is checked. So this is the document. Next task is the database task, which I'll be uploading. You can get the link from the description. So please keep watching my videos, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for now.